The world is noisy and the battles rage outside. We search for comfort, a place where we can hide. But then we gather, 2 or 3 or more, knocking softly on the Father's open door. We share the silence, we share the common bread. We share the purpose in the words that He said. It doesn't take the temple or the crowds in the square. It only takes a humble heart lifting up a prayer. We call